For the Ninja Turtle, you're going to use 4 260s. I have 2 greens, 1 mocha brown for the shell, and then I have an uninflated balloon I'm going to use with dark blue for Leo. Alright, so blow those green ones up the same length. Those are going to be the legs and the rest of the body, right about there. And the mocha brown, you don't really need too much. And that last one's just going to be uninflated for whatever Ninja Turtle you want to make. Alright, grab one of those green balloons there, and on the end you're going to do a 1-inch bubble. And this is starting out the leg. Do another bubble there and make a pinch twist. This makes the foot. And then do a small bubble there that's a little bigger than the ones you just made. And then a 1-inch bubble for the knee that you're going to pinch twist in place, just like that. And now this is the top of the leg here, a little bit bigger than the bottom of the leg. And then do another 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. And this will complete this leg. So adjust it. Now we're going to bring in our second green balloon, and we're going to do the same exact thing there, same size as the other one. So we'll go ahead and start with a small bubble there for the front of the foot, another 1-inch bubble pinch twisted, and that's the foot there. Now the bottom of the leg, and pinch twisted. And I always like to look at my other leg for reference, so I'm doing the same exact dimensions. Alright, do the top of the leg there. And then a 1-inch bubble at the end that I'm going to pinch twist. Alright, now I'm going to grab that first leg I made, bring those together. And then we're going to twist those top balloons sticking out all together right above those pinch twists. And this is going to be the main body of the Ninja Turtle. Right about there. You don't want to make this too long, it just looks kind of funny if you do. Alright, so we'll go ahead and push one of those through, it doesn't matter which one. Helps lock it in place. Alright, so we'll get the longer one there to make the head with. So we'll do a small loop twist for the head of the Ninja Turtle. And this you don't want to make too big either. Right about there is good. And now we're going to finish off the green part of the body with the arms. So make a twist right there. Make a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that, and that's going to be the elbow. Alright, and then make a small bubble there for the forearm, and then one more even smaller bubble for the fist. Pinch twist that into place. And then that excess you can pull off. Make sure you pull off further up so you have enough balloon to tie with. So make your tie right there. And then go ahead and pop that through right in that opening. That will help seal it in. If you don't do this, sometimes that fist will unravel itself. That helps lock it in. Now this other arm on the left side, you're going to make exactly like the right one. So go ahead and just follow the same steps there. And you can look at your arm on the left as a guide. Make a pinch twist there for the elbow. Make another bubble for the forearm, just about 1 inch. And then make another small bubble for the fist and pinch twist that into place. Same thing here, we're going to pull off the excess, tie it, and then make sure we lock it in place. All right. Now we can position the pieces where we want. And we'll go ahead and grab our third 260, which is going to be the mocha brown for the shell. Alright, so we'll take that original body we've been working with and just push that nozzle in right in the neck there underneath the head. Wrap that around a couple times. Alright, and this is going to go down the back of the Ninja Turtle. And what I do is I position those two middle bubbles that are green side by side so I can put the shell across. Make my twist there, that's the same size roughly. Twist it around, and you're going to do that 3 times total. So bring it back up on the outer side. This you can make the same size. And then you can bring one more down over the top, and this one will be a little bit bigger than the 2 we just made. Creates that shell look. So wrap that in there, right above the legs. You can twist the whole body or just wrap it through, whichever one you want. And pull off that excess. He doesn't need a tail. And here you can tie it or just wrap it all in and then hide it in the shell. Alright, get everything where you want it. And now we just have one more balloon. We're going to grab that uninflated dark blue because it's Leonardo. So you might be asked for Michelangelo, which is orange, or whichever guy. So make sure you get the right color. And here you take out the air. Make sure that all the air is out, and then you seal it by tying a knot on the end. That's really important. Otherwise, if there's a bubble of air in there, it's going to want to force itself off the balloon, off the face. So this is going to be our bandana here. So we'll wrap that around that head of the Ninja Turtle we created. And this part you want to make sure it's flat around the front of the head, on the face, and then just tie around the back. Make it nice and tight with that first tie, and then do a second knot to lock it in. The trick here is to keep that flat on the front of the face, just like that. All right, let's grab that Sharpie here and draw some eyes, and we'll be all set. Do a little mouth there if you want. And that is the Ninja Turtle. Awesome.